Introducing the ultimate driving experience, the Diesel Manual Saloon. Packed with luxurious features such as Bluetooth phone, cruise control, rear armrest, and ambient lighting, this vehicle is sure to impress. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. Stylish additions like privacy glass, spoiler, and panoramic sunroof set this car apart from the rest. Plus, with a comprehensive warranty, full health check, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can hit the road with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie today for more information on this stunning vehicle.